As you may know from my previous video that I made about that iPhone thing, whatever. Okay, this time I'm just gonna like open up a Xbox controller. So yeah, and I'll show you what's inside. It's the original Xbox controller. Look, it's from the old Xbox anyway, but yeah, look. Alright, let's start. Okay, all done. Okay, whatever. It's not coming out anyway. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Alright, this is the original. And I haven't messed anything around except I took out the motors. That's all. That just like a little while ago anyway. So this is kind of like it. Nothing really special. Some rubbery thing for the buttons. That's just behind it. That just kind of like a support thing. And this is the D-pad thing. Just like cover, whatever. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. So okay, look at the circuit board thing. Alright, it's just plain simple, just this, no any other thing. That's kind of like it. You can take these things off and that's kind of like it. Yeah, like scrolling thingy and buttons. This is the actual PCB that you could even see it says Microsoft on it. I'm not lying. So alright, that's done. It's kind of crazy, you know. What's this? Let's get to this part. I haven't been here before. Okay, switch. Yes. Stupid screw. That's taken off, but for some reason this part doesn't want to get off. Come off. Oh, alright. Okay, I've taken it off, and yeah, it's kinda it. It's got those ports for them old memory card things or whatever, and that's kinda it. Okay, so yeah, that's kinda like it. So I think maybe next time in my next video I might open up a laptop, do a quick look around in there, see what's in there, like, you know, yeah, that's kind of like it. It's kind of fun doing these kind of things, opening it up and putting them back together, seeing what's inside, how these things are actually built and all that kind of like stuff. So yeah, putting them back together, and then it'll be actually alright. Okay, now that's done. Piece of plastic to everything. Okay, done. Now just normal thing. Just put it over here. Put it just in there. Damn, don't lie. Okay. Now all these stupid little buttons came out. Wow. Black here. White's there. Green A there. Red there. And where's the yellow? Yellow is over here. Yeah, you do know I'm kind of like wasting time, cause like if I did it too quickly, then it would have been a short video, and then it would be kind of odd. So I'm kind of just likely doing this for entertainment, cause I just kind of like do this for fun, see what's inside these, and just fix them back together. Damn, I think I got cut. And yeah, put that on there, perfect. That done. There, screw on the screws. Where is it? Okay, do this one. And there you go. Fully working controller again. So yeah, I know how to do these things. These are just so easy. Even laptops no hard work or anything. So yeah, I'll be doing the laptop next time. So comment, subscribe, and yeah, man. I just do this for fun. So yeah, bye.